Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you installation of Arduino IDE. So let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and just search Arduino download. And guys, here you can see official website arduino.cc. Just click on this link. Okay, so guys, it has redirected to downloads page, and here you can see it is showing me Arduino IDE 2.0.4, and here you can see different downloads available depending on operating system. So Windows, Linux and Mac, and for Windows we have MSI and zip file. Here I'm going to click on this MSI installer. Okay, it has redirected me to this page. Here you don't need to do anything, just click on just download. Okay guys, so my download has been started and it is almost done. So now let's click on this MSI to start this. I'm going to minimize my browser and I'm going to click on run button. Okay guys, my installation has been started. We will wait for it to complete. Okay guys, you can see it has created shortcut on my desktop. Now I will opening this IDE by clicking on this icon. Okay, so my IDE is getting started since I'm opening it first time, so it is taking time. And here my firewall is blocking it, so I'm going to click on allow access. Again, one more time, allow access. Guys, here you can see my IDE has been started and here it is downloading some of the packages. So we will wait for it to complete. Again, it is asking me some permission, so I'm going to click on yes button. Okay guys, now it is asking me to install the device driver, so I'm going to click on install button. If you don't install this device driver, then you won't be able to get your port and all that thing, so you have to install this driver. So click on install button. Okay, again it is asking me some of the device driver software, so I am going to click on install button. Okay, one more time. It is asking me permission again, so I am going to click on yes button. Okay guys, so you can see it was showing me installing and then install. Now it is not showing me installing, so that means installation of all the required package has been done. So now what I will do, I will just show you one demo program, already available examples. I will just show you whether it is compiling or not. So guys, if you want to integrate Arduino with Proteus, you can watch my video, the link is in description. Guys, rather than writing a program, what I'll do, I'll take examples. So here go to examples, basic, and select the blink. You can select any. I'm taking blink because this is the simplest program which is going to glow your LED, and for a certain period of time it will off on, something like that. So this is my program, and what is this, you can delete all this thing if you don't need. So let me delete all this thing. So setup is entry point for your program, and here I'm giving pin mode LED bulletin. So you can give pin number over here wherever you want to collect your so you can give pin number wherever you want to connect your LED. So by default this is going to connect to LED number 13. I will show you that also. So this is defining what this is going to be output. Okay, and then loop is what, actual functionality which is going to run again and again and forever. So now what it will do, it will write high on this output, and after that it will take a delay of 1000 milliseconds. So 1000 millisecond is nothing but 1 second, and after high it will do what, it will make it low. That means your LED will get off and again it will delay. So high low, it will continuously go. Okay, so this is what your basic program. So I'm not changing anything in it. What I'll do, I'll just compile this program. So just click on this verify. Okay, so guys, it is showing me one error missing FQBN, that is fully qualified board name. So guys, here I have not selected board name, hence it is showing this error. So what you have to do, you have to go to tools menu and go to board, and here you can select this Arduino boards and you can select this Arduino Uno. So board is selected. Now recompile it again. So now you can see it has shown compiling, sketching and compilation done. Okay, so compilation is done. Now how you are going to integrate this code to your board? So for that you have, it has generated one hex file, but that is not shown because to show the hex file you need to go to file and there you need to go to preferences. And now guys, here you can see compile option is not check mark. So just check mark this compile option and click on OK, and then again you verify or compile it. So now guys, you can see it is showing a verbose like the output or whatever message is generated. So guys, I hope by following my video you are successfully able to install Arduino IDE and you are successfully able to compile your program. So guys, if you like this video, do hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query, put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, I have shared my Telegram link in description box. There I am sharing lots of PDF related to computer programming and coding. You can join that channel also. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.